Red lipstick for the eyes? Why not? We just need to add a few colors. First and foremost, kailangan mo mag-apply ng skincare and protection for a freshly washed face of yours. Your lips needs protection too. Now start applying concealer on blemishes, especially on dark under eyes and your eyelids. Just be sure when you're applying that you blend it well too. I have a pimple mark here and also a discoloration. I really like this tint because it is waterproof and sweat-proof. Just apply a light dusting of powder foundation. Then a colorless loose powder. Now I'm using an eyebrow gel in medium brown. Apply sparingly, but make it a little thicker. Pero, yung mukhang natural lang ha? Then I blended my eyebrow mascara. The color of the mascara matches the color of my eyebrows and my hair. Then highlight the eyebrows by using a concealer, and this is the time that you can clean the areas of your eyebrows with some mistakes from the eyebrow gel or the eyebrow mascara. Just don't forget the top of the eyebrows that needs cleaning and highlighting too. So we're gonna use some soft matte red lipstick. Just don't forget to blend well, and this will serve as an eyeshadow base. Then we're applying a bronze eyeshadow powder. Just be sure to concentrate on the outer area and blend well. This color gives warmth to the cool color of red. I'm blending it outward and upward to lift my eyes. This is another color and it's gold eyeshadow with shimmer. This color concentrates on the inner area of my eyes. Then I highlight the middle of my eyelids, the inner corners, with a little bit of light cream eyeshadow and with a bit of glitters. This also gives a subtle three-dimensional effect. Instead of using a pencil, I use a black liquid eyeliner with this look. This will come out a bit of an intense but swift-looking eyeshadow. You will notice the contours and the highlights of the eyeshadow. Yung paglagay ng eyeliner takes some practice, pero you can use eyeliner pencil. Then curl your eyelashes. Then use an intense black mascara. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Bet ko to. Gustong gusto ko yung kulay nito, parang sa mga Koreans. And syempre, parang sa mga Japanese, yung parang sa geisha. Pero mas subtle lang, 'di ba? So, for special effects, mag-inarte tayo minsan. Use colored contact lenses. So, ito, pampatangos ulit ng ilong. I added more red lipstick para mas deep yung kulay at para mas vibrant. I also applied on the lower lash lines. Ang ganda, 'di ba? Ang bongga. So you just have to blend the red lipstick. No harsh lines, please. So what do you think, guys? Ang ganda na face mask ko, no? Ginawa ito ng isang local designer na si Steph Verano. Thank you again for watching. Bye!